So what is up guys, today I am going to show you how can you use iOS 11 on your Android phone. So first you need to have Android phone KitKat or above version, second internet connection, third less than or equal to 500 MB RAM, fourth is enough space on your phone. So if these things are available, then let's get started. So first of all, open your Chrome browser, and on Chrome browser just type there iOS 11 wallpaper, and after typing the iOS 11 wallpaper, just select which wallpaper will fit for your Android screen. I am selecting this wallpaper because it will be fit for my Android screen. You can also select both any of these images because it's a different types of resolution, so according to your Android resolution select image. For downloading this, go on their image site first of all, so you will be get better image quality. And for downloading this image, just long press on this image and select on download this image. So I am downloading this and it is downloaded. First of all, open this image and open with gallery. I am opening with gallery, and after opening with gallery you need to type, you need to select on more and set as a wallpaper and set as a home and lock screen both wallpapers. So select it and it's done, and it will be looking like iPhone wallpaper. So first for showing that I am locking my screen, so you will be able to see that both it is appeared on lock screen and a home screen. So yeah, it's available. So after doing that, you need to download one app that is not available in Play Store better version. It is paid application, but I am given your link in the description, so download from there. And I am pasting this link on the Chrome browser. This app is called iNoti. Pasting there. Here is the website of this app. So you can also able to read the description. Download the latest version of app. Select on the download, and it will be start downloading. And first you need to fill the captcha. Select on the all soft font. In your case you will get the different captcha. So I am selected and it's provided me this app and it's downloaded. So first of all, open, and opening, just install it. So this it is installing. It's installed, and open and enable the iNoti. So you will be able to see that in the notification bar it looks like a iPhone. And you can also select your carrier name, so just like Jio, Airtel and whichever carrier provided by your carrier provider. So I am leaving that because it's automatically selected the recommended network. So yeah, it's done. So backing this, and you need to download a second application called iLauncher, which is also a paid version. It's not available in Play Store. And first note for iNoti, select on the notification access for iNoti application. So I am giving the notification access to the iNoti app and turn on, and it's turned on. So I am going back and I need to download the iLauncher app. So click on the download, and it is downloaded, and then install it. You can also read the description of this app, but I am this time installing it. So it's installing. So this time it's installing. Let me download another application which is available on Play Store. It takes some about 1 minute it will take to down install on your Android phone. So there you need to type iOS control panel 11. So install it on your phone. So it's installing this time. It depends upon your internet connection speed. If your internet connection is fast, you will get the as fast as possible your mobile can able to download this. This is downloaded and I need to just install another application called Emoji Keyboard 7 because it will detect a better keyboard for your Android phone. It's looking like a iPhone keyboard. So installing the both iNote and the iLauncher app. First of all, launch the iLauncher app and you will be able to see that your mobile starts looking like an iPhone. Wow! And first click on the preference, select on the fifth row. After selecting the fifth row, there is a fifth row, layout fifth row. You need to select depending upon your mobile. If you downloading on your CAD, so if you select on according to your device. So now I am selecting this and it's you are able to see that it's also as it can show that well I can type anything on the screen and it will be searched for me. So it's a pretty looking like iPhone. So for this iNote you also, and after you long press on the any app, it will be checking like a real iPhone. And you can I am selecting on the app on my home screen bottom of this phone. So it's selected and it's everything is done. So for this time you need to control panel setup needed. So open the control panel iOS 11 app straightforward and then click on the size tab. And after clicking the size tab you need to hide this tab. So increase this volume type rocker icon on the left side of the screen and you will be able that it will be hidden from your bottom of the screen. And don't do anything, keep this as it is and go back. And you can also read the app to support the developer. So I am leaving it now. So wait just a second. I think internet connection is working well. So I am going back and I need to open the Emoji Keyboard 7. So for iOS 11 you need to first I need to it's looking like a actual iPhone. So you seen that it's a notification panel is looking like iPhone. And for doing this you need to straightforward, you need to give the access. First you need to input method, so Emoji Keyboard 7. So select on that, disable a Google typing or another a voice typing. And after doing that you need to default, first of all you need to go another tab. So I'm going on another tab and going there you will be found that there is a iPhone like keyboard. So here it is, it's a iPhone like keyboard. So I'm selecting on this, so it's selected and you can able to type. It's looking like a actual iPhone keyboard. And here you will get most of the emoji, lots of emoji, different type of emoji which is not available in a simple Android iPhone keyboard. So it's set it up. So now you can also rate the developer for downloading. Everything is done. There is a lots of different types of wallpaper and emoji. You can select that it's a letter type emoji, word emoji, and different type of emojis. So everything is set it up and your Android phone is looking like an actual iPhone. So everything is done, and notification channel is also coming, so you can do whatever you like on your phone, and you can increase or decrease your light. And here is the volume icon. After pressing, you can adjust the media on the ringtone phone. So thanks for watching. If it will be helped you, so don't forget to share with your friends. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.
Yeah.